softening the eyes. You might sense the outer corners of the eyes slightly lifted as if in a smile, letting the brow be smooth. And feeling the sensations, the aliveness there. Bringing a slight smile to the mouth. And feeling the inside of the mouth smiling. This image and felt sense of a smile helps to create a shift in the nervous system towards ease. It helps to increase the parasympathetic activity. So there really can be more relaxation, more of an atmosphere of loving presence. So sensing that slight smile and relaxing the tongue down to the root of the tongue. And feeling the sensations, the aliveness, the awareness inside the mouth. Letting the shoulders relax back and down a bit. Letting awareness fill the shoulders. So you can notice where there's tightness or tension or holding. Just allow whatever's there to float in awareness. Perhaps to untangle itself a bit. Feeling the hands from the inside out. Softening some. And just noticing the tingling, the vibrating, the aliveness and awareness inside the hands. Letting the